This really is an absolute one-off, absolutely incredible purchase with just 577 miles. That's right, 577 miles. One very fastidious owner from new. The car is like brand new. It really is amazing find. Gentleman I've dealt with previously, registered in October 2021 on a 71 plate, 577 miles. Amazing find. It's the Kia Sportage GT line. It's a four-wheel drive of 1.6 GDI turbo automatic. I'll show you all the way around it. You'll probably hear me say many times, it is brand new. It really is a brand new car. There's not a single mark, scratch, dent, scuff as you would expect. Great specification on this. It has got every single thing you could ever wish on a car. Look at that colour. Absolutely beautiful colour. Red metallic. Infa red metallic is the official name of it. Totally stunning. All-wheel drive. Beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. Still got the little sticker on the wheel. Every single wheel is absolutely perfect, with stickers I think on every single wheel. Front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera. Why buy a new one when you can buy this car? It's a better buy than a demonstrator because this has just had a one driver, owner from new, whereas a demonstrator vehicle had been used by many other people. Full glass panoramic sunroof, tilt and slide, chrome roof rails, keyless entry, keyless go, electric folding mirrors, again all the door trims, everything as you would expect. Heated rear seats, beautiful leather seats with the red stitching, beautiful contrast to it. Rear centre armrests, cup holders. Again all the switch gear and the driver's door. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. JBL sound system. Lane assist. All nice display there. Electric seats. These are heated seats as well as cooling seats as well, and again the attention to detail with the red stitching. The glass panoramic sunroof. 1.6 turbo engine, 174 brake horsepower. There we go, 577 miles, that's correct. Just 577. Amazing. Keyless start. Great display. All touchscreen. Set it exactly how you want it. User 1, user 2. Voice recognition. Display. Various screensavers. Just so easy to set everything up. Can even have sound of nature. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Nice clear screen satellite navigation. Great stereo system, of course, with a JBL sound system. Sounds absolutely wonderful. All the controls in front of you. Map, navigation, media. You've got heated seats, 3-position, heated steering wheel, cooling seats, USB AUX input, of course the automatic gearbox, various drive modes, auto hold, reverse camera with overhead display as well, shows you exactly with the position of the car. You can also change the screen position, what you want to see, so down the sides, rear corner, top vision, and complete rear as well. Just makes it so much easier for parking. You can see every single angle of the vehicle. Got the grid lines as well when you're backing the vehicle into position. Voice activation.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Showing current location on map.
Various controls on the steering wheel. Beautiful multifunction steering wheel with the paddle shift gear change as well. Onboard computer. What a great car. This really is a one-off, as I mentioned. 577 miles, one private owner from new. The beautiful slide and tilt glass panoramic roof. Great storage, the centre armrest. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book bag, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange, always a pleasure. Still under 7 years Kia manufacturer's warranty. A brand new car without the brand new price tag. Any further information, give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. These are sort of cars that we like to buy, so if you know anybody who's selling a nice low mileage full service history car, we'll give you the top price for it. Any further information, it's 01782 822 700. Click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.